Day 5. Integration and Future Resilience. Welcome to your final session. Today, we will integrate everything we have learned and focus on building lasting peace and resilience. Get comfortable. Lie down and close your eyes. Allow your body to settle into deep relaxation as you breathe in and out. Take a moment to scan your body, noticing how relaxed and at ease you feel. Allow any last bits of tension to dissolve as you sink deeper into peace. Focus on deep, rhythmic breathing, allowing your breath to reinforce the sense of calm and stability you have cultivated over the past few days. With each breath, you grow stronger and more resilient. Now, visualize a soft, protective light surrounding your body. This light represents your inner peace and strength. It forms a protective shield around you, one that you can carry with you into your daily life. With each breath, this shield grows stronger, ensuring that no matter what life brings, you remain calm, centered, and resilient. Sankalpa. Repeat your Sankalpa one last time, combining all aspects of stress relief, emotional balance, inner strength, and healing. I am peaceful, resilient, and whole. Let this final affirmation anchor deep within you. Take your time. There's no hurry. Slowly, bring your awareness back to the room. Become aware of your body. Move your fingers and toes, gently reconnecting with your surroundings. When you are ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to reflect on your journey over the past 5 days. Know that the peace, strength, and resilience you have built will remain with you.